Marcus Aurelius, the emperor of Rome and philosopher of calm strength, spent countless nights alone with his thoughts, writing words not meant for the world but for himself, lessons to survive the storms of life. His wisdom still speaks to us, perhaps now more than ever. He taught first that we must control our minds, because peace begins the moment we stop trying to control what lies beyond us. The second lesson was to accept impermanence, understanding that all things, success, failure, love, and pain, come and go like passing clouds. The third was to respond, not react. When anger rises, he would ask, will this matter tomorrow? In our noisy, reactive world, that single question can save us from chaos. The fourth was to serve a purpose beyond yourself, for we exist to contribute, not complain. The fifth, embrace discomfort, for strength is not born in comfort, but in the struggle to endure. The sixth, practice gratitude, for every morning we wake is a gift to act with virtue and meaning. The seventh, forgive ignorance, understanding that most people act out of fear or misunderstanding, not malice, and hold anger as to poison one's own peace. The eighth, value virtue over reputation, because reputation is what others think of you, while virtue is who you truly are. The ninth, remember mortality. Life is fleeting, and that truth should not bring sorrow but urgency, to live fully and with purpose today. And finally, he taught to live in harmony with nature, to act with reason, compassion, and balance, accepting life as it is rather than as we wish it to be. As he extinguished his candle each night, Marcus would whisper to himself, waste no more time arguing what a good man should be one. His voice still echoes across centuries, reminding us that real power lies not in wealth or control, but in mastering our minds, staying calm in chaos, and living every day with wisdom and grace.